Like it looks so nice, pretty, and natural, and very, you guys see that? Very, very, very realistic, guys. Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So obviously you guys can see it's looking like a fresh ponytail style right here. So this video today, guys, is sponsored by Xrsbeauty Hair. So this is another clear lace wig review, guys. So you guys can already see this unit is looking slay to the god. No baby hair action whatsoever on this unit, guys. So this unit is just fresh, clean, pulled up in a half up, half down to give you guys the entire flex of this beautiful hairline. Now I am going to show you guys the lace comparison on the side screen so you guys kind of see. So I did show you guys the clear lace and also the transparent lace. So there's a huge difference with the clear lace and the transparent lace. The clear lace, you ain't going to see a damn thing. You're just going to see skin. And with the transparent lace, you're going to get like a little bit of you can see the lace a little bit with that one. But all in all, the new clear lace is what's on trend, guys. It's very simple. And obviously I showed it to you guys on a clean palette today without baby hair so you guys can get the whole gist of this one. Now usually I like to do middle part styles or side parts, but I say, you know what, I'm not doing that today. We're going to do a classic half up, half down style. I kind of showed you guys how I put in the ponytail, nothing crazy. I'll list all the products in the video for you guys and down below if you guys are interested in the styling products, which I always have a list down below for you guys. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, I feel like the style came out very, very nice, guys. Very realistic. I did go ahead and snip the ends so everything could be pretty even. I'm not even sure if it's even. This unit is 18 inches long, 150% density, and just has such a natural flex to it, guys. So
it's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the unit. So like I said, this unit was sent to me from Xrsbeauty, guys. So this one is the LFW19. It is 18 inches long, 150% density. I will leave a coupon code down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. Very, very simple, guys. I will show you guys a close-up on the lace and everything. You guys can see how pretty, nice, kinky, straight this unit is, guys. It's pre-plucked, so it already comes prepared for you. You don't gotta do all that type of stuff with this unit, so it's very, very simple. With this one, it did come with an adjustable strap, guys. Sometimes I put the adjustable strap on the unit and sometimes I don't, and simply because this does not, it's not as secure for me. I have like a medium small type of head, guys, so most of the time this doesn't do well, but the adjustable straps that came in, the hooks in the back, work perfectly, so I was able to adjust it. Now I did go in with my Eben Wonder Lace glue, guys, per usual, and I kind of did the whole perimeter down. Now you guys do notice that there is no baby hair magic on this unit whatsoever, and that's simply because I wanted it to be like a flawless ponytail style look. Now let's be honest, when you have like kinky straight hair, we don't really do like little baby hairs gelled down. I felt like that shit looked ridiculous. I don't know if you guys remember a few years ago, maybe it was like 2019 or 2018 or 19, there was a whole meme going around and it was split between me and Glow Princess, and I had the half up half down look without the baby hairs, and she had the half up half down look with the baby hairs, and there's whole controversy on which hairstyle looked better. So let me know which one you guys think looks better. Would it look better with baby hairs or would it not? I just feel like without the baby hairs, you get the real full effect of the clear lace. It looks very undetectable, very, very natural, guys. I didn't do anything special on both sides of this one. I didn't even create like a little sideburn, because realistically speaking, sometimes you don't have all that extra stuff to pull out. I literally feel like baby hairs and all that kind of magical stuff is just something that I just started. I do enjoy doing it, you know, here and there, but for this style, I wanted to show you guys how nice and clean the hairline is, along with how beautiful this lace is. So, like I said, I will turn around and show you guys the back, and I'll show you guys the lace up close so you guys are going to get the whole perspective. Obviously, in the beginning of the video, you guys saw it up close. This install is probably going to last me a few days. I did do about 2 layers of the Eben Wonder Lace glue, and I also did top everything off with the Eben Wonder Lace adhesive spray. Now, obviously, I have the mismatch of these. I have the yellow one, and I also have the red one, but either way, they both work very, very well, and the install should last me about like 3 good days. If you want to with this unit, you can go ahead and do baby hairs and stuff like that, but like I said, I just opted out of doing it just because I just felt like it would just be doing too much with the unit. I feel like it looks so nice, pretty, and natural, and very, you guys see that? Very, very, very realistic, guys. So I will leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit. Like I said, there will be a coupon code left down below as well. This unit is very nice. The 18-inch length, I don't usually do 18 inches from them. I usually do like 24 inches, but the 18 inch is a perfect length. I did go ahead and snip it to be even on both sides, so that I had kind of like a straight kind of like, you guys get kind of what I meant with this one. And I also did make sure I cut like a little bit of the ends of the ponytail section so that everything looked kind of even, flawless, and very, very cute, as you guys can see. So you guys can see, very, very cute.